Hey, what's going on, guys? Just wanted to say sorry for the long delay of uploading a video, man. I was lazy. I'll just be honest, I was lazy. But look, I tried to make a video today, and honestly, the person I had recording had the finger over the camera, like wasn't even aiming it right. You'll see in the clips. I'll show some of the good clips, and then right after that, I'll show the clips where it would have been good, but you'll see what I mean. I was gonna film some more later on, but I ended up meeting with some other people, and it wouldn't have gone well because they were a bit of they were a bit annoying, basically. And it wouldn't have been good for a video. But I'll get one up within the next few days. I might go tomorrow because I want to get another one up. You know, I need to do this. I'll stop talking. Just watch the video now. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. No, that wasn't me. I don't know which one to get. I'll call you later. No, that wasn't me. There was someone next to me. Yeah, you can already tell clips aren't that good, which, I mean, it's annoying, man. I will record a new one very soon. It's just hard because I want someone to be with me to film, you know, but I need to go into a big shot where they've got a trolley so I can put my phone into a trolley like the last video. Go and watch the last video because that one is, like, the best one. But I used a bad mic in my last video, so I'm going to use the better mic, the one that I was using in this video. But you'll see, I'm going to show the clips now that aren't that good, but they could have been good. Just watch, man. You'll see. It's annoying. It is.
No, mamá, asali ba na? Is that still open?
I have no idea.
I'm not sure myself.
What was that noise? Must have been this guy next to me. Yeah, I'm just in the shop right now. What did you say you need? Oh, you're not going to believe this. Some girl next to me just farted. It's crazy. Yeah, which bags did you need? Yeah, look, thanks for watching, man. Look, I'm sorry for the shitty video. Like, it's terrible. I know, it's terrible, okay? The next video will be, like, 100 times better. This video, blaming people for farting, could have had some funny reactions, but no. What is it with my area and people not really reacting well? You know what I mean? NPCs, they don't react. They're programmed to, like, act like it's normal in my area. I need to go to some other place, you know, like in the videos where, like, people go crazy or whatever. But look, thanks for watching. I'll get a video up very quick, like, very soon. It's Sunday tomorrow. I'll see, man. Look, I've got things to do, but I will try and fit it in. I'll see. Oh, man.